Hi guys, so welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be featuring this ORS olive oil hair mask, and it's an intensive conditioning treatment. It's like a protein treatment. I've read the ingredients and it does have protein inside. It's for heat damaged hair and color damaged hair. I haven't used, my hair is not heat damaged, my hair is not color damaged, but it is sort of suffering from breakage, and so I want to start doing protein / moisture and balancing out the two on a bi-weekly basis. So this product is $3.99. It smells like flowers. It has I'm not a big fan of the flower smell, but this is what it looks like. It's really thick. And it's 312 grams, so I think that's a decent price for a decent size. I've used these products ages ago in the past when I did have heat damage, and I must say it did help. I did a strict 6 weeks, or actually 6 months treatment on my hair, and I went 1 week protein, 1 week moisture, 1 week protein, 1 week moisture, and that really did help to bring my hair back. And I didn't have to cut much off my hair at that point in time. So I do believe in this product. And I think because it's not as popular on YouTube, that's why it is the price it's at, and I hope it stays that way. But I'm just sharing with you guys just so you know. That's what I try to do. I try to look for products that are not as popular and test them out. They tend to be more affordable. So I'm just going to unravel my twist, which I took out of my last video, which was a pre-poo treatment. And now I'm going to put in my what do you call this, protein treatment, and it says to sit under heat for 15 minutes, so that's what I'll be doing. I find that when I wear the gloves, it makes it easier to kind of rake the product through my hair, you know, because your hands are meant to be more gentle, and when I put the gloves on, I feel like it's even more gentle than my hands without the gloves. And I haven't actually done a protein treatment in a long while, so this is a real treat for me. And I'm just going section by section all around my hair. Just all around. And smoothing the product through with my hands. In my last video I was talking about hair growth, and I was saying that, you know, I'm going to try to get my hair to be as long as possible. I mean, if it's a possibility, then I would love to have that happen, but at the same time I want to be able to enjoy my hair whatever length it's at. And so in the summertime I want to really do more styles with my natural hair, and to see exactly what I can do, what I can't do. And that's why I'm trying to take the best care of my hair now as well. I was reading an article online a long time ago, and it said, you know, there's some of us who our hair doesn't grow no matter what we do. There's a range of different factors that can affect a person's hair growth. but there's some people who the hair doesn't go through that phase of TWA, mid-back length, awkward length. It doesn't go through that phase. And if you are not one of those individuals, then what would you rather? Would you rather have short unhealthy hair or short healthy hair? So still take care of your hair, regardless of how long it grows or not. And that article really inspired me, actually, because I read that at a time where I was really frustrated with the lack of growth that I had. And you don't see much YouTubers with really short hair. You know, the popular ones are the ones that have the long, thick hair. Okay, I'm going to stop talking about hair growth now, but that is on my agenda. So the product, I can't really give you feedback right away, but maybe I should do an update video on how this has really worked for my hair. I do feel like my hair is becoming a little bit hard at the moment, and that's definitely a sign that it's a protein treatment. And I'll tell you guys how my hair feels once I rinse it out. I'm just going to follow the directions at the back of the product. Okay. Give some love to my sides as well. I often forget about my sides. Okay. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back for the final part of my protein treatment video, and I really like this product. As I've said before, it is worth the price. It's affordable. Okay, if you have a close-up look at my hair, it's nice and got a nice sheen to it. It's not too dry, and I believe that's because I did a pre-poo treatment. I use a non-sulfate shampoo, and then also I did the protein treatment. So all those methods together have worked to give me a nice sheen on my hair. It hasn't left my hair looking or feeling dry, and it doesn't feel hard either. And if you see, it's got a nice like stretch, nice level of elasticity. So that's a sign of healthy hair, when your hair can just bounce back. And yeah, so I don't want to tell you guys to rush out and buy this product because it's the best thing ever, but I'm just showing you what I do to take care of my hair. And I don't want to be like all the other YouTubers out there that are just like pushing products onto people. This is just what I do, and I'm documenting my journey also for myself, so that I can look back and see what I'm doing correctly and what I'm not doing correctly, so that I can start to learn from my mistakes and do better in regards to growing my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't blabber on too much and what I said did make sense. And if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.